Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to add plane tickets to Google Wallet. Storing your boarding pass in Google Wallet makes check-in faster and ensures your ticket is always accessible. Let's get started. First, open the Google Wallet app on your Android device. Next, tap the plus button, usually labeled Add to Wallet. From the options, select Boarding Pass or Add a Pass depending on your app version. Then, locate your plane ticket file. This could be a PDF, PK Pass, or a ticket received via email or Google Drive. After selecting the ticket, follow the on-screen prompts to import it into Google Wallet. Make sure the QR code or barcode and flight details are clearly visible. Once added, open your Google Wallet to confirm your boarding pass appears correctly and is ready for use at the airport. That's it. Your plane ticket is now safely stored in Google Wallet for quick, convenient access whenever you need it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.